A rural craftsman has made millions by processing wood. It's truly impressive. Today, a netizen spent 3,000 yuan to commission him to create a unique and exquisite tea dining table. The final product turned out to be absolutely stunning, leaving everyone in awe. As always, don't forget to follow and like. May you earn millions every year. Now, let's dive into the story. The craftsman's name is Li Jiongguo, a renowned artisan in his village. Since childhood, he has been deeply passionate about wood, enjoying the feel of its rough texture and appreciating the life within it. Through years of practice and experimentation, he mastered the art of woodworking, transforming ordinary pieces of wood into exquisite furniture and crafts. Today, he welcomes a special client, a netizen who came across his works online and was captivated by his remarkable craftsmanship and creativity. Determined to own one of his pieces, the netizen traveled a long way and spent 3,000 yuan to have a custom tea dining table made. Li Jiongguo gladly accepted the challenge and began his creative journey. He carefully selected high-quality wood with beautiful grain patterns and meticulously planned the design. Using his saw, chisel, and carving tools, he sculpted each piece with precision, polishing the wood into smooth, lustrous surfaces for the tabletop and legs. After days of dedicated craftsmanship, the tea dining table was finally completed. When the netizen saw the finished piece, they couldn't help but express their admiration. The table's design was both elegant and fluid, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern aesthetics. It looked so vivid and natural, as if bringing a piece of nature indoors, allowing one to experience tranquility and beauty. So, what kind of tea dining table was so extraordinary that the netizen was willing to pay a hefty price and travel a great distance for it? Stay tuned as we take you through every step of its creation. We promise you'll be amazed. For those who love handmade craftsmanship, this is something you won't want to miss. Now that the video has reached this point, the handcrafted tea dining table is finally complete. What do you think? Were you surprised? Isn't it one of a kind? If you had to price this masterpiece, how much would you say it's worth? And on a scale of 1 to 100, how would you rate Li Jiongguo's craftsmanship? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to show your support with a little red heart. It means the world to artisans like him. Your support keeps us motivated to create more content.